Stop losing trade because of indicator. You are probably using them the wrong way. This simple strategy indicator for mobile can help you to spot higher probability trade in the market in just 1 minute of you staring at your chart. And in this video, I'm going to make it simple how you can use this indicator for your mobile phone, and your mobile phone, you can turn it into a trading machine, guys, without any stress, without nothing. Just follow the instruction that I'm going to give in this video. 99% of traders, they use this indicator or other indicator very wrong, and they are there to complain. Indicator does not work, this strategy is not working. You tried almost all the indicator that you know, but nothing is working. So this is the right time that you meet this video and you meet this particular indicator that I'm going to teach you in today's video. Make sure you watch the video from the beginning and the end of the video so you understand what we are going to teach. Don't forget to hit for me that like button as you are watching the video. Make sure you click on the like the video. Give me a feedback about all the indicator that you learned so far on Forex Breakthrough, how been working for you in the comment section, guys. And if this is your first time to watch Forex Breakthrough, let me just ask you to hit for me the subscribe button, the subscribe to the channel, so become part of the community, guys. On this Forex Breakthrough, it's really a Forex, it can be a Forex breakthrough for you if you've been struggling to get strategies, a reliable indicator that can help you to give you entries in the market, and then you have met the right channel, guys. My name is Genius. I'm a profitable trader for more than 6 years of experience, and I've been using more indicators and more other strategy for technical analysis, smart money, supply and demand zone, all the strategy in Forex. I've tried them, and indicators on this channel, we have more indicators that they can work for you as a beginner and advanced trader. So without further ado, don't forget to join our free Telegram group for signals daily. I send already this signal in my free Telegram group. So if you haven't joined yet, click the link in the description of this video so you join. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is to show you first the settings, how you can add this indicator settings. It's very simple indicator, does not require you a lot of stuff, no stress, no a lot of settings, just your patience to spot the right time to take a trade. So you click on the F sign. I'm going to teach you first how to set these wonderful settings. After you click on the F sign, the first indicator that we need is relative strength index. So you click on indicator window on main chart. Sorry guys, I have a bit of flu, so I don't know if my voice is coming good or not, but yeah, my apology, but I hope you can hear me very well, guys. So this strategy, it's good on gold, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, all currency pay, guys. So make sure you go and practice. This is very good strategy. I can recommend you. Doesn't have a stress. After you click on indicator window, main chart, you look for relative strength index. So here on a relative strength index, we are using period is 1, apply to close, style is 3 pips, so color of your choice. And then on the level here, we have level 10, description is wait, level 20, description is buy, level 50, description is take profit, level 80, description is sell, level 90, description is wait, style is 3 pips, so color of your choice. I put black, and then you can go back and click on done. Guys, as I said, this is our running trade, and it also I trade it with my free community. I share my signal freely, guys. Nothing, no charges, so it's just you to join on the link and enjoy all these signals, guys. So as you are still learning, there's nothing wrong for you to take signals. We all been taking signals when we were still beginners and learning until when we understood the market and start doing our own thing. So you can join the group for daily signals and be able to take all these entries, guys. So if you haven't joined, click the link right now and join the free Telegram group. So we are going again to add another indicator, you click on the F sign. Click on indicator window 1, not not normal on main chart, but indicator window 1. Look for MACD. After you see MACD or MACD indicator, click on it. Here, all the period or the settings, the number of the settings that you see on a differ, you must change it to what you see on my screen. So here, the first EMA, it's having period 16. Slow EMA, it's having period 30. The MACD line is having 13. Apply to close. Main line is 1 pip so, and the signal line is 3 pips. So on the main line here, about the color on the main line, if you're MT4 or MT5, I'm using MT4. So I don't know, I use both MT5 and MT4, but yeah, my broker right now, I'm using MT4. So my background for the chart is on white, so that's why I put white as well here. That's why I put white. So if your background is in black, you can put black color. Whatever background color you have, you put the same color with your background, because we won't gonna need this main line. So here on the signal line is 3 pips so color of your choice, and I put red color, and then you can come back, click on done. Okay guys, so this is the MACD line that we just added with red color. You can see we are about to hit our take profit at level 50 gold this morning. So this is a very wonderful trade. So you go again on the F sign here. We are going to add another indicator, guys. This is Forex Breakthrough, where you get to learn all these indicators free of charge. It's just you to go and practice. Give yourself time. Give yourself time to learn, guys. You cannot be a successful trader if you don't learn, if you don't practice, if you are not consistent with knowledge. Knowledge is power, guys. There's no magic in Forex. A lot of people, they struggle to get profit or to make profit because they try to think that Forex is all about luck. Here we don't do luck stuff. This is not betting or gambling, but this is financial market. And financial market, you need to have knowledge in order to become profitable. So I encourage everybody that is watching this video, get yourself time. I remember when I was learning, guys, Forex trading, anytime I wake up in the middle of the night, the first things to touch is my phone. I have to touch my phone, even though I'm not trading, but I have to touch my phone to look on the pay, to look on the chart, how the price is moving, just like that. That helped me a lot to get used of the chart, you understand. But most of people, they only open the chart once they are about to trade. When they have money in them in their account, a real account, then they need to open out the chart. No, it doesn't work like that. Even though you don't have something to trade, you can still practice on your demo account. It's all about understanding. It's a daily work that you need to exercise in order to become profitable in the market. So you click again on the F sign. After you click on the F sign, we are going to add our last indicator. Click on indicator window 1 here. Look for moving average. After you see moving average, click on it. On the moving average, we are using period 9. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply here, you put apply to previous indicator data. So apply to previous indicator data. Previous indicator data. Style is 4 pips, so color of your choice, but I put blue. You can put any color, doesn't matter. And then you can go back and click on done. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm done with this indicator. As I said, it's very simple. It doesn't have a lot of stuff, not a lot of settings. It's very simple the way it looks on my screen. So after you add your indicator window, so now is the time for me to break it down. How to buy, how to sell with this indicator, when to buy, when to sell, and when to take your profit as well. So stay with me on this very important part. Do not scroll, do not watch the full video in order to understand. Don't forget also to give me that like button. They like the video, guys. This is a very powerful channel where you get all these where you get all this video, where you get to learn mobile strategy. Because a lot of people that get this excuse, I don't have a laptop, that I'm not making money. There are actually strategies here on Forex Breakthrough for your mobile. Just go and practice and learn. So guys, the first thing that you need to do first, this indicator about the zoom level, we are using zoom level number 1, 2. So we are using zoom level 2 on this strategy. And the second thing that you need to note is also you can use it on 30-minute time frame. Yes, that is a recommendation time frame. You can practice on another time frame, is still okay, but I recommend it to use on 30-minute time frame. And also you can use it on any currency pair, gold, whatever market you want to use it. You can use this strategy. It's working good in a trending market. When market is ranking, do not take any trade. For example, here we can see that here market been ranking. It's just moving like this, sideways market where there's no clear direction. And when market is moving in a sideways, you will also see here or it's crossing multiple times the MACD and the moving average. It's crossing multiple times on your RSI, so you need to stay away until when, if you are looking for a buy confirmation, you must wait until both this indicator, the MACD and the moving average, they cross to each other and they break level 20. As long as they break level 20, you can enter a buy. As long as they didn't break level 20, do not enter any buy, guys. So it can be at level 10. It's telling you to wait. So you need to wait. Be patient until you get a good entry. So once it hit level 50, if you already bought, and then you take a profit once both indicator hit level 50. Okay. If you want to swing, you must wait until they both break again level 50. Once they break level 50, you can go for a second buy. Okay. Or in case you miss this entry at level 20, you must wait and see if it will break again at level 50. Then you can enter your buy. By selling is still also the same scenario. By selling, you must wait the crossover of this indicator, both moving average and MACD, to cross each other at level 90 and wait for it to break level 80. This is why you can see I sell, and I send also the signal in my free Telegram group, because we break already level 80, so we have to sell. And gold already, we already hit our first and our second take profit. So as long as it break level 80, you sell, and we are waiting for it to reach at level 50 in order to take our last take profit, and we are good. So you can see it very simple as that. So what you need to do on this indicator, first you need to be patient, guys. Don't just jump at anyhow. No, be patient of yourself. A forex trader is the one that learn how to be patient for his entry. Do not rush yourself into taking trade without any clear confirmation. Otherwise, you are going to lose your money. And then you complain, this strategy is not working. I lose my money in the market. No, you didn't lose your money because of the strategy didn't work. No, you failed to become you failed to be patient with the strategy in order to get good entry. Remember, it's all about higher probability trade. A forex trader, you need to look for good time to jump in the market. If you calculate you are a forex trader who knows what is the best time to enter the market, you are good already. But if you are trying to guess your entries, that is the disaster that will come for you. And with this indicator as well, as you are going to practice, be patient with it. Be patient until you get good entry. Do not forget to hit for me that like button there, like the video. And if this is your first time to watch Forex Breakthrough, let me just ask you to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Do not forget also to join my daily signals, where I share each and every day powerful signals, guys. And I I'm going to reveal another powerful indicator in my next video, so make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of updates. And let me see you in the next video.